Hello everyone, we are from Team 12 AIT department. Our project name is Snooza Palooza. I am Sri Satvika, with Bala Mahesh, Pranab Gopal, Vinay Kumar, Saloni and Mukta. We did this project under the guidance of Balakrishna sir and Mahesh Babu sir. Problem statement: as we all know that lifestyle these days and sleep cycle is very different from how it used to be earlier. Earlier it was like sleep early and wake up early, but nowadays we like to work in the night and play games in the night and wake up late. So this results in the disturbance of the people's work tomorrow or the next day. So to overcome this problem, we came up with this idea called as Snooza Palooza.
Our proposed solution is to build an advanced alarm system which is different from the traditional alarm systems that just consist of a buzzer. Our system consists of a light and fan which are internally linked to each other in such a way that when the alarm rings, the fan goes off and the light starts flickering, which causes annoyance to the person's eyes. The switch is kept in the next room in such a way that the person has to wake up, walk and go to the next room to turn off the alarm.
Required components for our proposed solution are: initially we'll take a mini table fan or a general fan. Then we are taking a digitally programmable alarm clock where we are supposed to set the timer. Then we take a 2-pin switchboard where we are connecting the fan and the light. And then we need a bulb holder. Then the wires, the general electric wires, a power supply switch, 2-pin jacks. We are using a flashlight with a buzzer where the buzzer is supposed to produce the sound for the alarm, and we are using a relay. A relay module is an electrical switch which is operated by an electromagnet, and we are using an 8-pin relay module for the connections of a fan, alarm clock and light. Then we have the MCB, the miniature circuit breaker, that is used to protect the low voltage devices from the high load or current. And then we are using an electrical general tape. Then we are using the wooden box for the circuit to be placed, which can be placed anywhere in a general household.
The travel way alarm, it works similarly as sunrise alarm. It is a digital alarm placed near bedside, and another is sonic alert, sonic bomb, which is based on vibration sensors, which is placed near pillow, so that through vibrations the user gets irritation and he gets wake up. But these existing solutions are not efficient in our to wake up a user.
Block diagram, the circuit box where all the connections are made, and in the starting we set the alarm in the timer, and after the timer is set, when the time comes, the alarm sets off and it turns off the fan, and simultaneously the light will flicker and will irritate the person. After that, when the person is irritated and comes and turns off the circuit, automatically the fan will turn normally, will work normally.
The connection of our project is, first we are starting a fan and offing the light. So here we are setting an alarm. This is in 24 hours format. So first we are setting a timer, that is, and this is consist of hours. So now current time is 2:52 and we are setting an alarm at 2:53. So the alarm gets on at 2 minutes after. So in this, first the connection of our video is, first we are taking a power supply. In this power supply we have a 2-pin, one is phase and another one is neutral. So the power phase is going to the MCB in, and out is consisting of 2 connections, one is phase and another one is neutral. So phase is going directly to the alarm and the neutral is going to the relay 3rd pin. And here the relay is nothing but it controls the current, and if a relay cannot control, MCB will just shut it off. So the relay connection is like, first relay connection we are giving to alarm positive and negative to the RC. This is an RC connection, resistance and capacitance, and one more neutral connection we are giving to the MCB out. So here the alarm consists of 4 pins. So it contains phase, neutral, which is connected to the MCB, and this phase is connected to the relay, and all the devices are having neutral. So alarm and fan and light, all the relays are connected towards, and it is just joined and we send it to direct negative of the power supply. This is like normally a fan and a light connection. In this, above all is phase and down is all neutral. So when the alarm starts ringing, so the fan gets turned off and light starts ringing. This is a buzzer which consists of light and buzzer. This is a multi-purpose uses. It uses in our day-to-day life also. This all thing which we are doing is very effective in our day-to-day life, and this is a slider which we are working. This is 2-pin switchboard which we are doing. So here the light starts flickering and the fan gets turned off. The title of our project is Snooze Palooza, and our team leaders and project coordinators Mahesh Babu sir and Balakrishna sir. So the main project objective is to create an alarm system in our day-to-day life which can help to our daily lifestyle, and there's an existing system. We have total 3 existing systems, and these are the required things which we need to work through the alarm system. The issue is updated and the methodology. This is our team photo.
Hope that you have found our idea very much useful, and it can be implemented in our daily lives, so it can make our lives much better. And thank you.